Hi, today I'm going to show you how to sautéed bitter melon in Chinese black olive sauce. Bitter melon is a unique vegetable widely enjoyed by many Asian adults. I'll show you how to cook to reduce its bitterness, but still retain its unique texture and flavor. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Chinese black olive is available in most Asian grocery stores. Soak in water for 10 minutes. Wash, wipe dry, and dice the olives. Smash and mince the garlic. Remove seeds from the bitter melon. Scrape off the white stuffs inside. Cut into 1 centimeter thick sections. Boil a pot of water, add 1 teaspoon salt, then blanch the bitter melon for 1 minute. This will remove some bitterness in the melon. After 1 minute, rinse bitter melon under cold tap water. Drain well. Heat pan, then add 1 tablespoon oil. Sauté black olive briefly at medium heat until fragrant. Pour bitter melon in and sauté briefly at medium heat. Add garlic and sauté. Add cooking wine. Sauté, then add half teaspoon of sugar. Sauté, then add 1 tablespoon of hot water. Sauté briefly to dry up the moisture. Scoop out. The yummy sautéed bitter melon in Chinese black olive sauce is now ready to serve. Enjoy!